Welcome to Design of Experiments Training. DOE Training for Engineers, powered by tonex.com. The Design of Experiments Training. DOE Training for Engineers course is intended to show you both hypothesis and hands-on prerequisites important to run and execute the DOE. DOE or Design of Experiments is here and there called a Statistically Designed Experiment. DOE is viewed as a strategically arranged and executed examination to provide point-by-point information about the impact on a reaction variable because of at least one elements, one factor at a time, or OFAT. Training objectives. Create and apply vital aptitudes required later to unravel, plan, or streamline increasingly complex issues or multiphase frameworks. Perform a full DOE test framework, in both randomized and blocked way. Assemble a model. Run a DOE to tackle issues. Run a DOE to streamline a framework. Investigate and translate the DOE results, utilizing ANOVA or graphical techniques. Comprehend and perform examination for experiments, principal and intuitive impacts, trial blunder, ordinary likelihood plots, idea of dynamic efforts, and leftover investigation. Perceive what parameters have the most effect on the nature of an item. Set up a halfway factorial DOE by applying bewildering essential. Break down and translate the outcomes from the halfway factorial DOE. Comprehend the essentials and favorable circumstances of robust DOE. Choose when a response surface DOE should be executed. Pick the pertinent response surface design. Dissect and translate the after effects of response surface. Course outline. Overview of design of experiments. Planning a DOE. Problem solving with DOE. Analyzing the DOE results. Various categories of DOEs 1. Various categories of DOEs 2. Confounding. The robust Taguchi DOE. The response surface DOE. Call us today at 1-972-665-9786. Learn more about this course audience, objectives, outlines, seminars, pricing, any other information. Visit our website www.tonex.com.